How to fix any Windows Media Player errors on your computer. So if you're having any kind of playback issues or just errors in general, I'm going to show you how to fix these all together. So first go and open up the Start menu on your computer and then click on Settings. In the left hand side, click on Apps and then click on Installed Apps. Using the search box, go and type in the word Media and you should see the Media Player. Now click on the three horizontal dots next to this and click on Advanced Options. You can then scroll down to Terminate and click on the Terminate button. You can then scroll down to Reset and click on Repair, and then finally click on the Reset button at the bottom. You can then press Reset. Now once you've done this, you can close out of this window and you can check to see if it solves the issue. If it's still not working, the final solution is to open back up the Start menu and click on Settings. In the left hand navigation, click on System, scroll down this page and click on Optional Features. You then need to click on the blue button next to View Features. You then need to search for Windows and click on the Windows Media Player Legacy. You can then press Remove. You can now wait a couple of seconds while this removes from your computer. Once it's finished removing, we can click on See Available Features. Using the search box, go and type in Windows and select the Windows Media Player. You can then press Add. Now you'll just need to wait while this gets reinstalled to your PC. Bear in mind this may take 15 to 20 minutes to install. Now once it's finished, you can open up the Media Player Legacy and that should have now solved your issue. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.